Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Subaru WRX engine bay. First, you'll need to gather your supplies, including a good quality automotive degreaser, various brushes, and microfiber towels. Next, it's crucial to protect sensitive electrical components like the alternator and fuse box by covering them securely with plastic bags or wrap. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before applying any liquids to prevent damage or rapid evaporation. This preparation step is vital for a safe and effective cleaning process. Once prepped, apply your chosen degreaser generously across the entire engine bay, focusing on greasy areas. Allow it to dwell for a few minutes, but do not let it dry. Use a variety of brushes, from soft detailing brushes for delicate parts to stiffer ones for stubborn grime, to agitate all surfaces. Finally, rinse the engine bay thoroughly using a low-pressure water stream, ensuring all degreaser and loosened dirt are washed away. Avoid high-pressure washing. After rinsing, the next critical step is drying. Use compressed air to blow water out of crevices and off surfaces, preventing water spots and corrosion. Follow up by wiping down all accessible areas with clean, dry microfiber towels to absorb any remaining moisture. To finish, apply a non-greasy, UV protective dressing to all plastic and rubber components. This will restore their original luster and protect them from future wear. To maintain a pristine engine bay, aim for a light cleaning every 2 to 3 months, preventing heavy buildup. While cleaning, take a moment to inspect for any loose hoses, frayed wires, or disconnected electrical connections, addressing them promptly. A clean engine bay not only looks great but also helps identify potential issues early. And hey, while you're working hard, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. This routine will keep your WRX looking its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.